Hey there, peoples! Today I'm here to show you how to make a basic Dart airplane design. So first, you're going to want to fold it down the middle. Try and meet up both corners as best as you can. This will improve your flight greatly. Do that and that. So my folds were, I'd say, pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. Hold on, just that. And that's just the alarm system. So now, you got your nice crease in the middle. Fold it like this. And then like this. Okay. My fold here was a good bit off, but just try and fold it as best as you can to try and match it up. This would affect it, but there are things I can do with the final product that will help it regain its balance. So make sure your design is kind of like this. Oh, wait, sorry. Like this. And now we go back to this design and flip it once more inward. Looks pretty good. So now you just fold it up. Okay, just try and correct it a good bit like that. Nice. Okay, so now that you got this design, this primary design, all you have to do is fold it to add the wings. Don't make the wings too small and don't make the wings too big. Just try and put it somewhere in the middle. Okay, and try and match the wings up as good as you can. This will also very greatly affect your flight. So here's the final product for the most part. I know the meetup over here is a good bit off, like this part ends here, then further down it ends over here. That will affect the flight, I'll tell you, but there are things I can do that can help it. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, okay. So for safety reasons, I suggest that you fold the tip in a little bit. So if it does hit anything, that way it won't fold in too much. And if it hits someone, it won't feel like something sharp poked them. Use your thumbnail to make the crease very strong. Okay, so now you got this, and you got your basic plane design. Next, all you have to do is take the end, rip it a tiny bit to make the rudder, or the thing that helps it stay in the air. Okay, a little bit ripped there, right there. Okay, here. So, at the end, there should be tiny curves upward. That way it helps it stay in the air.